Hello students, today we are going to discuss laws or concepts of vector algebra. Equal vectors. Two or more vectors are said to be equal if their magnitudes are equal. Suppose this is vector A, this is B and this is C. These three vectors are said to be equal vectors if their magnitudes are equal. So vector A equal to vector B equal to vector C. Second, what is negative vector? A vector having same magnitude but opposite direction called negative vector. Suppose this is vector A and exactly at the opposite direction this will be a vector minus A vector. So minus A vector is the negative vector of A. Third, position vector. So the position of a point with respect to an origin can be presented by a vector that is called position vector. So suppose this is a reference point, any arbitrary origin point O, and this is a vector and the final termination point is P. So this OP is said to be a position vector and represented by OP vector. Fourth, collinear vectors. So the vectors acting along the same line or the vectors which are parallel or anti-parallel, they are nothing but the collinear vectors. So parallel, suppose this A vector is parallel to the B vectors, so they are called collinear vectors. Or suppose A vector is anti-parallel to this B vector, so A and B are anti-parallel in this animation, so A and B are also collinear vectors. Suppose the vectors along the same line, suppose this is vector A and this is vector B along the same line and the angle between them is 0, so these are also collinear vectors. Suppose both the vectors are in opposite direction but along the same line and the angle is 180 degree, so these A and B vectors are also be collinear vectors. So collinear vectors are parallel, anti-parallel, or they are along the same line, they are called collinear vectors. Okay, now next, coplanar vectors. If the vectors confined to a same plane or vectors confined to a plane or vectors are present in one plane, they are known as coplanar vectors. Okay, so the definition is the vectors are present or confined to a same plane, it is coplanar vectors. Suppose this is a plane and all these vectors having different direction but present inside this plane means that they are confined to a single plane and they are called as a coplanar vectors. Now unit vector. So unit vector, it is a vector of unit magnitude. The vector of unit magnitude is known as a unit vector and it is symbolically represented by a cap. This arrow, this symbol is called cap symbol and it is read as a cap. So the formula for unit vector, if suppose A is unit vector, A cap equal to the A vector divided by its magnitude. So the formula for unit vector is that vector divided by its magnitude. Now we will see the triangle law of vector addition. Suppose there are three vectors forming a triangle. Then what is triangle law of vector addition? The sum of two vectors. If suppose there are three vectors, sum of two vectors A and B is equal to the third vector and that third vector is directed towards opposite side. Okay, we will see diagrammatically. Suppose this is A vector and this is B vector, so this will be a C vector. Okay, the direction of A and B is same but the direction of C is opposite. So according to the triangle law of vector addition, the sum of two vectors, that is A vector and B vector, is exactly equal to the C vector which is directed opposite towards opposite side. So C vector is equal to A plus B vector. This is nothing but the triangle law of vector addition. Now we will see another example. This is A vector and this is B vector, and opposite to that exactly B vector, and opposite to that A vector is exactly A vector, so it is forming a parallelogram. Okay, and suppose this is the diagonal of parallelogram which is equal to the C vector. So in this we can say that in this triangle a vector plus b vector is equal to c vector, okay, in this half triangle. And in this second triangle, that is a b vector plus a vector, that is c vector, according to the triangle law of vector addition. So this will be c vector is equal to b vector plus a vector. So here c vector is equal to b plus a vector, here c vector is equal to a vector plus b vector. It means that b vector plus a vector is equal to a vector plus b vector. So this is nothing but the sum of addition of vector is commutative. So from this triangle law of vector addition, we can reach at the conclusion that sum and addition vector is commutative. Commutative means a plus b equal to b plus a. Now next we will see associative law of vectors. It states that addition of vector remains the same regardless of order of grouping. If order of grouping is different but their sum is always remains the same, that is nothing but the associative law of vector addition. Suppose this a plus b bracket plus c is nothing but a plus b bracket plus c. So this law is nothing but the associative law of vector addition. Thank you very much.